Welcome to the project demonstration of missile detection and auto destroy system. In this project we are using one ultrasonic sensor to detect there is any obstacle in front of the missile, in front of this boundary, and here we are, by using this ultrasonic sensor, we are detecting any person or any obstacle detected, and then automatically we will on this laser light, and that laser light will fall on this obstacle and will target on the obstacle. And this is a microcontroller which is HVS-1093 microcontroller. By using this microcontroller we are taking the input of the ultrasonic sensor, and there has two things in this ultrasonic sensor. One is transmitter and receiver. The transmitter will transmit the ultrasonic waves to the obstacle, and when there is any obstacle detected, then automatically by touching the obstacle the ultrasonic waves will be reflected to this ultrasonic sensor, and this receiver will detect the rays and give an input of the obstacle detected. And here to give a motion to the ultrasonic sensor, we are using the motor, and this motor having with a driver, and the driver, for this driver the HVS-1093 microcontroller will give the input of movement, and by the input means by the instructions given by the HVS-1093 microcontroller, the motor will be rotated, and whenever the motor is rotated in which any direction there is any obstacle, that in that direction the motor will be off, means the motor will be stop the motion, and the laser light will be on. And here the interference will be this this motor driver is connected to A0, A1, A2, A3, which is interfaced to microcontroller, and this laser light is connected to this circuit, which is transistor circuit, and this transistor circuit is connected to interface to this microcontroller to C3 pin, and the ultrasonic sensor is connected to B0 and B1, and by using this interference, this will take the input and give an instruction of output. Means here in DC there is no frequency. To forward the instruction we want one frequency, means for one forwarding instruction we want to give 1 megahertz frequency. So here we are using this crystal oscillator which is 20 megahertz, and this reset pin is used to restart the microcontroller. To restart the microcontroller we are using this reset pin, and this crystal oscillator is used to mainly to generate clock pulses, and for one instruction it will generate one clock pulse. Like that, for every instruction it will generate clock pulses. That's why you are using 20 megahertz clock pulse crystal oscillator. And this is NPN transistor which is BC547, which is having three connections. One is base, emitter, collector. Whenever we given a base pulse by using this base pulse instruction by the microcontroller, then automatically it will allow the power, then only this laser light will be switched on. Like this the whole process will be done, and the power supply for the whole process is given by the adapter, which is 5 volts adapter, which will convert the 230 volt supply to 5 volt supply. Directly we are giving supply to this supply of 230 volts to this adapter. By the supply only the whole process will be run. Let us see the demonstration. And before on this circuit you should see the position of the ultrasonic sensor. Why? Because this will be considered as the starting position of the controller, starting position, and from here up to 180 degrees the ultrasonic sensor will be rotated and take the readings whether there is an obstacle or not. So whenever we are offing the circuit, we should see the position of the ultrasonic sensor. And you should see there is no obstacle in front of this ultrasonic sensor before when you are on it, and when the supply is on, then only it will be detected whether there is any obstacle or not. Okay, here there will be two supplies, two indications of LED. One is power indication, it will always glow, and this is second LED is for a pulse indication. We will have a pulse when there is any obstacle detected by the ultrasonic sensor. Now there is no obstacle detected by the ultrasonic sensor. Now I am giving one obstacle. Then you can observe that when there is any obstacle detected, the ultrasonic sensor stopping the motion and the laser light is on. Like that, it will detect the missile and it will shoot the missile by using this laser light. And whenever you are offing the supply, you should see the position, and this is the position of off. This is about the project. Thank you.